We are so excited to be celebrating the Mid-Autumn Festival. And during the Mid-Autumn Festival, we like to eat moon cakes. And over here, I have some delicious moon cakes that I have made. And I'm going to show you how to make these at home if you ever wanted to know how they were made or how you can maybe make them at home. Now, inside a moon cake, there can be many different fillings. But today, in my moon cakes, I am making a chocolate filling moon cake and a very traditional lotus seed paste and date filling. Now, as you can see, I have two very different colored moon cakes. And this is a traditional moon cake that is baked in an oven, while this white moon cake is called a snow skin moon cake because it looks like snow and it feels like skin. And we do not need the oven for this one. But we're going to have a look and see how we make these moon cakes, and I hope you enjoy watching our video. Let's have a look. Over here, we have all the important things that we need to make moon cakes. So, Miss Tegan is going to say the words, and I hope everyone will repeat what I say. So for our traditional moon cakes, we need an oven. Can you say oven? Very good. For our snow skin moon cakes, we need a steamer. Can you say steamer? Good job. And over here, we have many other things that we need. We need a sieve. We need a bowl. We need cling wrap. We also need some parchment paper. We can also call this baking paper. When we have finished our moon cakes, we need somewhere to put them in. Somewhere safe that they can stay fresh. And we also don't want the ants eating our moon cakes, so we need to make sure that we can close them up. We need a special moon cake mold. And our special moon cake mold is kind of like a stamp, and we're going to push it down like this. And we need a rolling pin so that we can roll our dough. A tablespoon and a normal spoon. We need this special instrument called a whisk. We need a spatula. We need a special cooking brush. Now this is not like a paintbrush. This is a special pasting brush. And the last thing we need is a scale. A scale helps us know how heavy our ingredients are. We need to make sure we have some beautiful Mid-Autumn Festival decorations. So today, Miss Tegan has a lantern. This is like a candle lantern. And I have a plate to put my mooncakes on and enjoy it with my family. Are you ready to make mooncakes? Let's have a look at our ingredients.